Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In multi-threaded applications, it's crucial to handle data access in a thread-safe manner to avoid race conditions and data corruption. One common scenario is caching objects to improve performance. In this tutorial, we'll create a thread-safe object cache in Python using the threading module and provide a code example. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You should also have a basic understanding of Python and multi-threading concepts. A thread-safe object cache is a data structure that allows multiple threads to access and modify cached objects concurrently without causing data inconsistencies or conflicts. We'll implement a simple thread-safe object cache using Python's threading module and a dictionary. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a thread-safe object cache. In this example, we create 5 threads that simultaneously add values to the cache, sleep for a duration corresponding to their thread number, and then retrieve the value from the cache. The use of the thread-safe cache class ensures that multiple threads can safely access and modify the cache without causing conflicts. Save the code above to a Python file, example thread_safe_cache.py, and run it using a Python interpreter. You should see the threads adding and retrieving values from the cache in a thread-safe manner. In this tutorial, we implemented a thread-safe object cache in Python using the threading module. Thread safety is essential when dealing with shared resources in multi-threaded applications. You can extend the thread-safe cache to suit your specific use case by adding more functionality or features as needed. ChatGPT.